All right, guys, we're back here. We're working on the Mustangs. Got to say hi to the Pops, right, March? Right? You want to say hi to everybody? Say hello? All right, they say hi. All right, so here we go. Working on the old 5-liter again here. Right now we're just cleaning up the motor, or gasketing the whole thing. New oil pan gasket. There's a new rear main seal on. We're doing a new time and chain cover seal or gasket. New front seal for the time and chain cover. New water pump gasket. We got a 160 thermostat. We got a new gasket for that. Just cleaning her up a little bit. New rear main seal I put on right back over here. So that's on. Lou D's over here. He's just giving the motor a nice little detail. Cleaning her up. Oil pan, I got it out in primer out in the driveway drying off. Let's see. We painted the engine bay. Came out pretty good. We got our new master cylinder. I bought the kit, the stainless steel brake lines for it. Goes up around. Over here. And down to here. Up to the front. I haven't put the back on yet. But we got all this done while the motor's out. So yeah, everything's looking pretty good. Everything's welded up. Real nice. Painted nice. Yeah, not too bad. Let's see. We got the oil pans out over here. Fixed a little spot here. There's little things as I'm waiting to kill time. This is right here. Could have did a better job on the sanding, but hey, it is what it is. The only color I got right now to spray it with is silver. So that's what we're going to put on the pan. It will be silver. We have this right here. Some matte primer and VHT silver. Only because that's what I got. All these other cans, they're empty. There's like a squirt. Not enough to do anything. Like that's plastic paint. That's no good. So yeah, so there we go. So let's get this assembled. And yeah, maybe we'll get the motor in today. If not, tomorrow. See how she goes. So that's it for right now. Bye-bye. Here goes Lou D trying to get a pilot bearing out with bread. More bread, Lou.
Fill us up. Fill it.
Let me get close up, let's see. Oh, it's coming. So fellas, don't let anyone tell you bread don't work to get your pilot bearing out. More bread.
A little bit.
It's like saying more cowbell. Oh, she's coming. All right, look at that sucker. Nice. Let's get a good look at this thing. That's one pilot bearing. Missing a bunch of teeth in there. That's why we're changing it. Alright, so now we got to put a new one in. You can even eat the tool when you're done. Alright, I'll get you a rag. So we'll be right back, boys. We'll put the new one in here in a second. Alright, here we go. It's go. Oh, let's go. It's going. Almost. I'd say that's good.
I think you gotta go a little more.
All right. Make sure the center still spins.
Oh yeah.
So there you go, fellas.
It's a nice lubed hole there.
A nice looped hole. Ready for action. All right, so there we go. We'll finish her up. All right, we're at the point now. We're going to put the motor in the car. We stopped. I got a $30 set of BBK shorty headers.
Yeah, call first because I don't know if I'll be around.
Got a new clutch on here, or the new clutch that came with the car. I went and bought a new flywheel. We put that on here, only because it was cheap enough. Brand new, it was $90. New flywheel, new clutch. Headers are on here. Spark plugs are on there. And now, yep, everything's on. All regasketed, everything. From pan to the thermostat. Front seal, rear main seal, the works. So the next video you shall see, it will be in the car, probably running at that point then. So until then, bye-bye.